If your videos feel incomplete, this AI tool fixes that. It adds natural sound effects that match every movement automatically. Just go to Kling AI. In the image to video section, select the new Kling 2.1 model. Upload your image, type your prompt, and turn on sound effects. They're totally free. Switch to professional mode, set your video duration, and hit generate. That's it. In seconds, your video will come to life with cinematic sound effects baked in. If you want access to this tool, comment yes and I'll DM it to you.